Hello, Harmony Major here. So, what is Reiki? Essentially, Reiki is a simple relaxation technique that helps to activate the body's natural healing response. Studies have shown that it activates our parasympathetic nervous system, which is the rest and digest aspect of our nervous system, which is responsible for resting, digesting, restoration and repair, those sorts of things. Reiki is a form of energy medicine, and traditionally it involved the laying on of hands to channel energy, but now we know that because we're all made up of energy, things that appear to be physical and solid, our physical body is made up of energy. And so Reiki therapy is a way of channeling energy to help to, again, activate the body's natural healing responses. And now we know that we don't have to be in the same location in order to do that. We don't have to actually physically touch you in order to do that. You can be in the same room or you can be across the country. We can do it through Zoom, we can do it by phone, we can do it in all sorts of ways. We don't need to be close together. Also, here at Energetic Harmony, I incorporate Reiki, I use Reiki in a trauma sensitive way. So, taking into account the neuroscience of trauma, essentially meaning the neuroscience and the biology of trauma, how past traumatic experiences and how chronic stress affects our physical body. Our physical body changes as a result of those experiences. We know that studies have shown as well that chronic stress and past trauma change our brain, our body, our behavior. So I take that into account in your Reiki therapy session. So, Reiki essentially helps you to release emotional pain and physical pain and discomfort, emotional and physical discomfort, as well as any stagnation that you might be experiencing in any of those areas in your body and mind to help to re energize you, relax you, restore you so that you can feel good again or feel better. So, if you're interested in learning more about Reiki, just continue reading this guide here. As you can see, when you're ready to book a session, if you are, you can click this link here, Explore a Book Now. If you have any questions before that, certainly you can come up to the menu, go to the contact page, and we're happy to answer. And I hope to get the opportunity to see and to serve you soon. Bye for now.